Did you know if you take honey and onions, you can make a natural cough syrup that can help soothe your throat? This is one of those timeless recipes that I use for my family as soon as they start feeling a little something. It's only 2 ingredients and you can make it in 5.
Let's debunk this. This is garlic, also called Allium sativum. This is onion, also called Allium cepa. There are 2 really great foods that we eat that have antimicrobial properties, which is why they'd be good in a cough syrup. Honey is also really great because it will help soothe your throat if you have a cough. Onion and garlic, why I recommend combining them together, is because they also have properties of anti-inflammatories and antioxidants, all of which are good to help you feel better. If you have a video that you want us to debunk or even just talk about, let us know. Send us a DM.